Hello travelers, I'm Elizabeth with DoMyOwn.com. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that might not be the most pleasant, but it's crucial for anyone hitting the road. How to avoid bedbugs during your hotel stays. Believe us, the last thing you want to do after a great trip is to bring these unwelcome hitchhikers home. So, let's dive into some essential tips to keep your travels bug-free. First things first. The biggest risk of staying in a hotel with bedbugs isn't just being bitten during your stay, it's bringing them home with you, leading to a full-blown infestation. But fear not, we've got you covered with some foolproof strategies. Choose the right luggage. Opt for hard-sided luggage with outside locking or latching as opposed to zippers. Bedbugs are sneaky and can maneuver through most zippers and cling to fabric cases easily, but it's much more difficult for them to get a grip on rigid suitcase shells. Next up, seal your items tightly. Use large resealable plastic bags or travel space bags inside your suitcase. Make sure they're airtight. If they're not bedbug proof. And here's a handy tip. Keep your luggage off the floor. Use a metal luggage rack to place your suitcase on in your hotel room. These are usually provided by the hotel. Bedbugs don't like to climb or stay on smooth surfaces such as metal and plastic. Therefore, your luggage is going to be safer up there than on the bed and floor. Now let's talk about inspection. When you arrive, start by checking around the mattress and pillows, then proceed to inspect the rest of your room for signs of bed bugs. Check along headboards, footboards, and nightstands for tiny black spots, blood stains, light brown skin castings, or even the bugs themselves. If you find any, don't hesitate to ask for a different room or change hotels altogether. It's important to take a few precautions before heading home, if you either have found bites on your person or you're sure you've encountered bedbugs or their eggs. The bedbug eggs are tiny whitish dots. They'll be smaller than a head of a pin, and those can go unnoticed. When checking out, inspect your items for traces of bedbugs and their eggs again. If it's possible, launder your clothes in hot water and dry them for at least 45 minutes on the highest heat setting that your washer and dryer has. This will kill any potential bedbugs on contact. Then you're going to put your sanitized clothing in airtight resealable plastic bags and then pack them directly into your suitcase. When you're back home, before you walk inside, perform a final check. Scan your luggage outside before bringing it in. Inspect each item as it's removed and drop it into the laundry immediately if possible. Wash and dry the clothing once more at the hottest setting that your washer and dryer has, and also spray all of your luggage as a final measure. We recommend using an insecticide labeled for use on luggage. Make sure to read the label for full application instructions. Simply shake it well, then apply to any desired treatment areas, such as along the inner and outer seams of your luggage, on the inside pockets and compartments, and places like that. If you brought home bed bugs after taking these protective measures, there's no need to worry. We have a wide variety of products to kill and control bed bugs, and we specialize in helping customers like you get rid of them. Since there's not one product alone that will eradicate bed bugs, we recommend using one of our bed bug kits. These kits include our most powerful and effective products for a variety of applications to save you both time and money. For our detailed guide and videos that outline the entire treatment process, please visit our website at DoMyOwn.com. Remember, a little diligence goes a long way in keeping your home bug-free. And there you have it. With these tips, you can enjoy your travels worry-free. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow travelers, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and tricks. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.